Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.
Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am going to be doing an unboxing right now. I'm going to unbox this. I may do some voiceover for the audio just because it's about to get really noisy really quickly. So here are the things I'm using. This is the beater I found on Amazon. All the information is going to be in the description, and I'm going to put information on the screen. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and let's get into this. This is the Device battery powered bead spinner. I got it for $24.95 or $99 on Amazon. As of the recording of this audio right now, they are no longer available. I may still put the link in the description in case they restock, and if I find another one, I'll post that. It may be a different price, but I'll post. So this is everything that you get in this box. You get a little bobbin with white thread on it, and there are two large eye hooks, needles. So that's good to always have extra. Then here are the instructions. It comes in several languages. I do not read instructions. I like figuring things out on my own. So inside you also have the device. So this is the bead spinner itself, and it has a it takes two AA batteries. So the battery cover is very easy to remove and put back on. No screws are needed. The power switch is bright orange, so you can't miss it. It goes left, right, and it stays in the middle to be off. And then that's the spinner part in the middle. It already comes with one of the bead cases attached, and it's really good to keep that because you can see it has a lid, so you can store the beads in it after using. This came with a total of 3 in the packet. So if you're doing multiple colors, you can trade between them. It's really easy to swap between the different colors while beading. So that's really useful to have 3 separate beaders, and then they are also doubling up as cases. So again, that bright orange switch, very easy to use. When you flip the switch to the left, it goes counterclockwise. When you flip it to the right, it goes clockwise. It is very simple to use. So if you're left or right handed, you can use it that way. Now again, it shows we have the bobbin of thread. I'm not going to be using that thread. I am actually going to be using the upholstery thread. I purchased this off of Amazon. I can put the link for this in the description bar too. So I am trying this thread out. It seems to be really strong so far. And then using the large eye needle, I'm just showing how large the eyes are. So you can put several strands of thread in it at once to be able to bead whatever it is you're beading. Okay, here are the beads I'm going to be using. This case I got from the Dollar Tree. It was a stack of 3 for $1, and they are very secure to hold the beads. And then these are the beads, so it's just an arrangement of a bunch of beads. To be honest with you, I had them all separated. They all fell into my bag. Couldn't be bothered to separate them, so I just dumped them all in this, and that's where they've been. So I'm just gonna make a waist bead using all of these beads. There are large ones and small ones, dark, light, everything. So I am testing larger beads and smaller beads at the same time. So this was a unboxing video. I don't have much footage of me using the beader. This is me trying it out. It is kind of difficult to get the hang of. So the manual beader, you have more control. You can stop and start very easily if it's going too fast, too slow. I think having some speed settings would have made this a lot better. I am going to learn to master this, and once I do, I can come back with a tutorial. But as of right now, this spinner is okay. You get a lot for the $25. So if you are wondering if it's worth it, as far as what you get in the packet, it is worth it. If you already know how to use these bead spinners, then it's a really good one to use. I personally just need time to learn how to work it. So if you do like this video, please comment that down below, like the video, and subscribe for more. Until next time.
It don't confuse me with somebody else, cause I've been working, I've been moving in stealth. Love yourself, love yourself, love yourself, love yourself.